In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll be able to set up a group you can use for your team, your class, or any project you're working on. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your web browser and make sure you're signed in with the correct account. This should be the account provided by your organization, school, or company, since group creation is usually managed within that environment. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're in the right one before moving on. Once Teams is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen for the Teams icon. This is usually a set of people icons labeled Teams. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the main Teams view, where you can see all the existing teams and groups that you're part of. In the bottom left corner of the Teams panel, you'll see an option like Join or Create a Team. Click on that. This is the starting point for creating new groups as well as joining existing ones. On the Join or Create a Team page, look for the option that says Create Team or Create a New Team and select it. Now you'll be asked how you want to create the team. Depending on your organization, you might see options such as creating a team from scratch or creating one from an existing Microsoft 365 group or team template. If you're not sure what to pick, from scratch is usually the simplest and most flexible option, so choose that. Next, you'll select the privacy level for your group. You'll typically see options like private or public. A private team means people need to be invited to join, which is ideal for most work groups, classes, and internal projects. A public team can be joined by anyone in your organization. Choose the option that best fits how open you want your group to be. After that, you'll give your team a name and, optionally, a description. The name should clearly describe the purpose of the group, so people know what it's for right away. The description can add extra context, like what kind of discussions belong there or who should join. Once that's done, select Create. Teams will set everything up for you. After creation, you'll be prompted to add members. You can search for people by name or email within your organization. Add the people you want to include now, or skip this step and add them later from the team settings. Your new group is now ready to use. You can start posting messages, sharing files, and organizing channels to keep your conversations structured and easy to follow.